Hi everyone, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and today I'm sharing the recipe for a fun Christmas cookie that is also delicious. I'm also sharing free downloads to use when serving and sharing these yummy no-bake goodies. To make these Christmas cookies, mix together the following dry ingredients and set aside: 3½ cups of rolled oats, 1 cup shredded sweetened coconut, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then put the following ingredients in a saucepan and bring to a boil: 2 cups of white sugar, 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Keep stirring to incorporate all the ingredients and to make sure that the mixture doesn't burn. And this is what it looks like when it's in the rapid boil stage, and it smells delicious. Remove the mixture from the heat and stir in the dry ingredients. Then, before the mixture starts to dry out, drop the mixture from heaping teaspoons onto wax paper and allow to cool completely. I like to use a cookie scoop. I like to package the cookies in these cookie bags from Dollarama. They come 8 for $1.50 and include a bag, a cardboard piece for the bottom, and a piece of ribbon. Once the cookies are all packaged up, you can add this fun tag I designed. It identifies the cookies as reindeer poop, which my boys think is hilarious. The tags come 3 to a sheet, and you can print them like a regular photo. I'll leave a link in the description below to the free downloadable tags. Seriously, how cute is this? I like the simplicity of the bags, but you can also pick up these little boxes from Dollarama and they look sweet too. These cookies are also great for holiday parties, get-togethers, and cookie exchanges. Print this little sign I designed, display it next to the cookies, and you're good to go. Again, I'll leave a link to the free download in the description box below. I hope you like these cookies as much as my family does. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.